Hey there, welcome to my Photoshop Tools series. In this tutorial, we're going to learn the Spot Healing Brush tool. Are you ready to make your photos look flawless? Let's get started. What does the Spot Healing Brush tool do? This tool helps you remove unwanted objects or blemishes from your photos with just a few clicks. It's great for retouching photos and making them look flawless. Okay, now let's talk about how to use the Spot Healing Brush tool. Open your image in Photoshop. Here's a picture of a female with a pimple on her face that we want to remove. First, select the tool from the toolbar or press the J key on your keyboard. Then, simply click and drag over the area you want to retouch. Watch as I use the Spot Healing Brush tool to click and drag over the pimple. See how the tool automatically blends the surrounding pixels to remove the pimple? It's like magic! If the tool doesn't get it quite right, you can undo the last stroke and try again. It's that easy! And here's the final result. Look at how the pimple is now gone from the female face. With the Spot Healing Brush tool, you can easily remove unwanted objects or blemishes from your photos. So go ahead and give it a try and see what kind of flawless photos you can create. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Spot Healing Brush tool. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and educational Photoshop tutorials. Bye for now.